want you to stay. Alive na. Thank you for joining. Thank you to those who sending heart. Thank you so much. Sir John! Hello, Sheryl. Live again po. Yes, Sir John. Hi, Sir John. How are you po? Saan ko yan ito charger, ho?
Ha?
Saan ko yun?
Opo. Nasa likod.
Thank you, Sir John. Thank you for joining. Thank you to those. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for. Hi, Travis Lark. Can you do your hair ponytail? No ponytail. Sorry. I'm good po. How are you? I'm fine, Sir John. Thank you so much for joining po. Thank you, Sir John. Hi, Khan. Hello, Khan. Hi, Khan. Very quiet there tonight. Yes, quiet tonight. And no kids playing outside. That's good. Very quiet. Can sleep well tonight. Very quiet now. Thank you, Sir John, for joining. Good. Hi, Jayan Malkesto. Jayan Malkesto. Hello. Sarado mo dito ga. Wala pa pag ano sa ano. Ganda. Wait mo sa aga. I mean, isa-lock mo na. Hello. That's good. You need to get your sleep po. Yes po, Sir John. I can sleep well now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Iswag mo, pakadong. Iswag mo dito sa duro. Nan. Sige. You're so beautiful. You look, no, not EI. You say an EI, not EI. That's not an EI. No, not EI. My God. Sister, you are beautiful. It reassures me that you don't have an EI. Don't know EI. YouTube not allowed using AI during live. My God, no AI. Duh. Why should I use AI? What kind of content are you offering us? Living here in Bicol province, Philippines, something like that. She's not a robot. Oh my God, yeah. She thinks I'm an AI. I'm not real. Oh my God. I look like I'm not. I look like an AI. Look, I have a boo-boo. When I practicing the scooter, this is a boo-boo practicing. Getting heels on. Hey, your name is AI. Yes. Yes, she's not a yes. Thank you. I'm not EI. My God. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Sir John. Jerry Hayes. Hi, USA. Jerry from USA. Hello. Where's Tom? Tom and Jerry. Where's Tom? Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Kaya charge mo nga sa rin na cellphone ko. Sabi. I'm from USA. Nice to meet you, Sir Jayan. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Mom Jayan or Sir Jayan. But my mom is Filipino. Okay. Nice to meet you. Where are you? Where do you live? Where state do you live in USA, Jayan? I'm a girl. Okay, I'm a girl. That's why Jayan is a girl. Thank you. Thank you for 10 people in the house. Thank you so much. Meow. Meow. That's good. What is your doing? I'm doing live. I'm sitting down, I'm talking to you guys, doing live, something like that. Doing here in Bicol, I'm volunteering here, helping community here in our barangay here in Bicol province, Philippines. And then a farmer, something like that. A good lover, so ganon. From Brazil, I love Filipino. Yes. Thank you. Jose Balbino from Brazil. Batman. Hi, Batman. Filipinos are kind of people, right? Some maybe, but not all. Not all kind. Some are bad. But me, I'm surrounded by good people. I choose, yes. Because I'm old enough to, yes, I choose to surround with good people. Yeah, I remove toxic people in my life. Is there an airport close to where you live po? Yeah, yes, 3 hours from here, Sir John. 3 hours from here in where I live. God is love you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jian. God is good all the time, whatever happens. Always stay humble, stay kind. Yes po, Sir John. 3 hours from here, where I live. Because airport is in Manila, then another airport here in Bicol, Legazpi. That's why. Something like that. God is good all the time. How many your dog in your house? One. Yes, one dog in our house. But neighbor's dog come here in our house, in our home. So that's why. Just one dog. But the dog is not ours. The dog is my sister's dog. Show me your dog. I love dog. The dog is my sister's home na, and their home is closed. So that's why the dog is inside of her home. Something like that. Show me. It's okay. Yeah, something like that. Thank you, Jan. Bye, I'm it. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for joining. Take your time. Thank you for joining my live. Tama na yung gabang turog ka na. And I'm going to sleep soon. So thank you for joining my live. Turog na ka. Ano? Tama na yun. Tama na. Turog na. How is your dad doing po? He's laying down on his bed. So uh, not not yet better, but he's fine. He's fine, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you for before you helping my you helped me before when my father too much sick too much. Thank you for your support. Something like that. God bless you more, Sir John. Before I'm HQ me your house. Our home is not good. Sorry, Gian. Maybe you need to, to eat na. No worries about our home because our home is not good. Not beautiful. Something like that. The yawning started. Something like that. Oh my love. Pagka ko ada ito na ano. Ano pa ni chat si Mike? Sa ibang day. Si Mike. Si hi Mike.
Hello. Hi, Mike.
Oh my god. Where's Mike one? You are so beautiful woman. Thank you. Michael. What is meaning of adobo? Adobo is a food. Hello, goodbye. Thank you, Sir John, for joining. Thank you, Sir John, for joining. God bless.